What is big data? Big data is a data with large volume and growing exponentially with the time. Big data basically refers to huge volume of data that cannot be stored and processed using traditional database tools. The next big question that comes to our mind is, where does big data come from? The bulk of big data generated come from different sources. Social data come from like tweets, comments, videos, photos and general media that are uploaded and shared using social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, email. Transactional data is generated from all daily transactions. It includes payment orders, commercial transactions, e-commerce, banking record. Machine data is defined as data which is generated by industrial equipment. It includes different sensor data such as sensor used to gather climate information, satellite, medical. What are different types of data? First, structured data. Structured data is highly organized and easy to access, and which is have defined a length and format. Excel, data stored in tables, relational database. These are examples of structured data. Unstructured data. Unstructured data is a data has no fixed format and it is difficult to process and analyze. Audio, video, images, emails are examples of unstructured data. Semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is a combination of structured and unstructured. It is little bit organized. XML, JSON file. These are some examples of semi-structured data. Among all three types, 80% data is generated is unstructured and it is difficult to process. What are different characteristics of big data? Volume. Volume refers huge amount of data. Every day, terabytes of data generated from Facebook, Google and different sources. Velocity. Velocity refers to speed of the data. That is, data being generated fast and needed to be processed fast. Variety. Variety refers different types of data from different sources. The different types of data such as PDFs, Excel, emails, XML, JSON, all these are different types of data generated. Veracity. Veracity refers to accuracy of the data. Since a major part of the data is unstructured and irrelevant, big data needs to find an alternate way to filter them. So these are the characteristics of big data. Thank you. If you like this video, please comment, share.